In this week's project, we're going to build a smart home mirror using an Android tablet and some two-way mirror plastic, so you can get a heads up on your day ahead before you leave the house. I found this project on GitHub by Hannah Mitt, and since I've never done any Android development before, I thought it would be a fun place to start. I downloaded the Android development software for my computer and proceeded to follow the instructions about how to load in an app. The trickiest part for me was making sure I had the right SDKs installed for the version of Android I was running and getting that connection going. Once I updated the firmware on my Android tablet and I had all the right SDKs installed, the program just ran, and it was super fun and satisfying. This is a great project to do with an older Android device that you're not really using for anything currently, and it can show you the date, the time, the weather, your stocks, and even the latest XKCD. You can find two-way mirror plastic online or at your local plastic store, and they'll usually cut it to size for you, or you can laser cut a more fun design. To install the mirror in your house, just use double-sided tape to stick the Android tablet to one corner of your two-way mirror plastic, and then cover the rest of the mirror plastic in a dark material like black construction paper. Then just mount it on your wall with a power supply running to a wall outlet and set your display preferences to never turn the display off while the device is plugged in. Then you've got a smart mirror for your entryway at your house that'll give you the critical info right before you leave. Thanks for watching. Thanks Hannah for developing this fun project that you can find on GitHub, and subscribe for more project videos from Adafruit.